Hi, my name is John Kypros. I'm a shakuhachi teacher and craftsman. One of the biggest obstacles that faces people when trying to learn shakuhachi is simply acquiring a quality, reliable instrument. After over a decade in the making, I'm very happy to be able to share with you my Bell Shakuhachi. To make them, I created an intricate mold of one of my best jinashi shakuhachi. I craft each Bell Shakuhachi one by hand from an eco-friendly bamboo composite material. Every Bell Shakuhachi has unique hand-applied colorations. They're in the standard length of 1.8 in the key of D. They will not crack or split from changes in the weather like other shakuhachi. You can get yours on my website, flutedojo.com. I also offer a free 1-hour live lesson over video chat. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Bell Shakuhachi.